Here we have a 73 plate BMW M135I XDRIVE. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention one, we do have the M135i Pro package. Now we also have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the blue brake calipers behind, with the Misano blue metallic paintwork. Really does stand out. We have the LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and also front splitter as well. We do have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so coming round to the passenger side, you'll then find the side skirts running along the bottom, colour coded door handles. We also have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you find the colour coded shark fin antennae. We also have the gloss black rear spoiler that sits nice and aggressive just there. There's a look at another alloy wheel. As you can see, again, excellent condition. We do also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Round to the back you'll find the dual exit exhaust with the rear diffuser. We also have the M135i badging here on the right. Just open up the boot just like so, and you'll find we have a decent amount of space inside of here. As you can see just there, we'll take a closer look. Apologies about the sunlight. We have the storage net on the right hand side, along with hooks either side, parcel shelf at the top. We also have a handle underneath here so we can pull the boot back down. And then making our way around to the driver's side now, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, so inside on the back you'll find that we have the cloth seats. We do have the blue stitching, the M Sport style seat belts, and also fixed ISO points as well back here. Vents in the centre for the rear passengers, brush metal door handles and electric windows on the doors. Take a look at the front, you've got the same cloth seats, both front seats are being heated. There's a look at the passenger seat and also the driver's seat just there as well. We do have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear, ambient lighting running across the doors. We also have the automatic lights down there, automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside and you'll find the digital dashboard in front. We have put our foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle will start up. We've got the cruise control and speedometer here on the left hand side, along with the high beam assist on that stalk there. Paddle shifters as well either side of the steering wheel. Digital dashboard is free from any warning lights, as you can see just there. We also have the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the sat nav. Plenty more features on here you would have seen on the photos. If we go through some of them quickly, we do have the shortcut buttons. So click on to media and you'll find the radio stations. We then have the other options here on the left, along with the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls. Going on to the apps, you'll find we have plenty of apps that are currently installed on the vehicle. Over to the left and you'll find Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now going on to the main menu, if we go up to car and then onto the settings, you find the interior ambient lighting, plenty of colours which you can choose from. We also have the intelligent safety, making it a safe vehicle to drive. Further down from there you find that we have the dual zone climate control for the front passengers, ice cold air conditioning, heated seat buttons as well either side. Further down from there we then have some storage space with the cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and also a USB port. Automatic gearbox which has the different drive modes. You can quickly press the buttons and switch through the different drive modes just like so. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find that the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P, we then have the electric handbrake and auto hold button, and finally the armrest here in the centre. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW M135i XDRIVE. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, we have to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel which has paddle shifters either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode you can simply tap out the paddles to change gear. We also have the cruise control and speedometer on the left hand side, along with phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us, which can show different displays depending on which drive mode you're in. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible, but if you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do also have the cloth seats throughout the vehicle, which are really comfortable. You could easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle, still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. Now we also have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre. It's currently showing the sat-nav. Plenty more features on there though you would have seen on the photos, just the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have the intelligent safety, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Dual zone climate control for the front passengers with the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. And we also have the automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth, going through all the gears, along with having the different drive modes. Now we've got our right indicator on, we're slowing down. We're going to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Put onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. We have the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running for some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.